For the record, ilang years na with ABS-CBN?
17.
So you started 2008.
2008.
Wow. How does it feel? 17 years.
17 years. It feels it's so fast. I had an event a while ago. I'm not sure if I can disclose it yet, no. But it was a partnership with ABS-CBN and another entity, no.
I heard about that.
A big one.
A red carpet event.
Yes, and I saw our former big winner, EJ Falcon. So it reminded me of what happened during our batch. So parang, oh, grabe, EJ, ang dami na nangyari. Dami na nangyari sa buhay natin. But we always come back to that moment when we were housemates inside the Big Brother house back in 2008. And it just brought so much joy para sa amin. Okay, ganito pala yung nangyari. And now, iba na yung roles namin sa buhay, but the memories, are gonna be there forever.
But it will bring us so much joy